Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Protein bars versus shakes. Which is better for protein and nutritional balance? Break key takeaways. Both protein bars and shakes are considered ultra-processed foods and should be used in moderation. They should not replace eating nutrient-rich, whole foods, such as lean meats, legumes, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Protein bars often contain fat, fiber, and protein and are a portable, convenient snack. Protein shakes are easily digested and offer a good amount of protein to help you refuel after a workout. Break protein shakes or bars can help you meet your protein goals on days when you're on the go or don't have time to prep a full meal. Choosing one over the other will depend on lifestyle factors, as well as fitness and nutritional goals. Break protein bars versus shakes. A quick comparison. Protein bars. Protein shakes form solid snack liquid or mixable powder best for on-the-go meal or snack, curbing hunger due to fiber content. Post-workout recovery. Easy protein absorption. Protein amount often moderate. Protein amount per serving often higher. Protein amount per serving. Nutrient profile may contain added vitamins, nutrients, and fiber, can also include added fat, carbohydrates, and sugar. Often lower in calories, fat, and sugar. Added ingredients may contain artificial sweeteners or sugar. Alcohols may contain artificial sweeteners or thickeners. Potential health risks may contain heavy metals or contaminants. May contain heavy metals or contaminants. Protein bars, pros versus cons. Break benefits of choosing a protein bar include: break convenience. They're an easy snack to bring and eat on the go, and usually don't require refrigeration.Fiber content. Bars often contain added nutrients, including fiber. Fiber will slow digestion, keeping you full for longer. More nutritional balance. Bars can contain fat, fiber, carbohydrates, sugar, and protein. This can make it a better option as a meal replacement, if needed. Variety. Protein bars are available in a variety of different types and flavors. You can find bars that are dairy-free, nut-free, gluten-free, and low in fat. Break disadvantages of eating protein bars include: break higher in sugar and fat. Bars often contain more fat and sugar than protein shakes. May contain added ingredients. Protein bars may include artificial sweeteners and sugar less than /speak alcohols. Sugar alcohols, when taken in excess, can cause unpleasant symptoms of abdominal pain, bloating, and diarrhea.Protein amount. Bars often contain less protein than shakes.Cost. Bars may be more expensive.Ultra-processed. Protein bars are considered an ultra-processed food. Ultra-processed foods are primarily composed of substances extracted from food, including added sugar, fat, artificial flavors, and preservatives. They typically contain only a low amount of vitamins and minerals. Protein shakes, pros versus cons. Break benefits of using protein shakes include: break customization. Protein shakes are available in both pre-made versions and as bulk powder, allowing you to make your own shake. You can easily customize to add your preferred ingredients, such as fruits, vegetables, milk, and more. Lower in calories, fat, and sugar. Protein shakes, especially if made from powders, are often lower in calories, fat, and sugar. Less expensive. Bulk protein powder may be more economical than purchasing bars. Easily digestible. The protein in protein shakes is more easily absorbed due to its liquid form. Break disadvantages to using protein shakes include: break usually lower in fiber. Less fiber content means that protein shakes may not curb hunger as well as a protein bar, if that is your goal. Added ingredients. Some protein shakes may contain artificial sweeteners or thickeners to give the shake a better texture. These agents can cause inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract and stomach upset. May cause stomach upset. Protein shakes can cause digestive issues, especially in those with dairy allergies or lactose intolerance. Less convenient. Shakes may need to be refrigerated or have a liquid ready to mix, making them less convenient as an on-the-go option. Ultra-processed. Protein shakes are considered an ultra-processed food. Which should you choose? Break choosing one over the other will depend on your current lifestyle habits, fitness goals, and nutritional requirements. Be sure to read labels as both products may contain added sugars, artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and thickeners. Break protein bars may be a good snack when you are busy and on the go, as they contain protein, fiber, and fat. They are also a good option if weight loss is your goal, as they contain fiber, which can curb hunger and make you feel full. Just be mindful of their calorie and sugar content. Break protein shakes are good for refueling after a workout, less than /speak. Speak as the protein is easily digestible. This may leave you still feeling hungry and may not be a good option if you are trying to lose weight. Break while protein bars and shakes offer convenience and a quick dose of protein, it is important to use them in moderation. They should not be a regular substitute for healthy meals that include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean meats, and legumes. Break shared safety considerations. Break protein bars and shakes are regulated as dietary supplements. They are not tested for contaminants before they are put on the market. It is important to select high-quality products. NSF certified for sport tests and verifies that products do not contain harmful contaminants or banned substances. Break a non-profit group called the Clean Label Project tested protein powders and nutritional bars for contaminants. They tested 70 different brands of protein powder for bisphenols and heavy metals, including lead, cadmium, arsenic, and mercury. Break 47% of products tested exceeded the safety limits for heavy metals. Plant-based protein powders and organic powders contained higher levels of metals than whey protein-based products. Of the 165 different nutritional bars tested, 98% of products had detectable lead levels. Bars labeled organic had higher levels of glyphosate, while bars labeled as kids bars had lower levels of heavy metals. RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.